book. Take out your Marigold book, page number 43. So students, you know that your assessment 1 exam will start from tomorrow? Yes or no? So you know your syllabus for assessment 1 English? Do you know your syllabus? What is the syllabus for English? Tell me, what is the syllabus? In Marigold, in your literature. Yes, the 3 chapters will come now. The good morning, the magic garden and bird talk. These 3 chapters will come, and we have completed now. And what is the syllabus for your grammar? In your grammar, the sentence will come proper and common noun. Yes. Okay. And you know the procedure of your exam, how to give? First of all, go through the e-portal. Then you have to log in with your email ID and password. After that the question paper will be visible on screen, and you have to give your answer within 20 minutes. For each subject you will be given 20 minutes, okay? For each subject you will be given 20 minutes, and MCQ will come now. All the questions will be in short form now. 20 questions. There will be 20 questions, and all are in short form. Okay, all are in MCQ. 20 marks, and all are in MCQ. Okay. Syllabus for your English exam is for Marigold, good morning, then the magic garden and bird talk. In grammar, the sentence will come proper noun and common noun, then short forms. Okay. Is there any confusion? You all are ready for your exam? You all are ready for your exam? Yes, it will come. Okay? Okay students, so best of luck for your tomorrow exam, okay? Now take out your page number 43, Marigold. Now take out your... Yes, it will come. Now, yes, noun, common noun and proper noun also come. Now take out page number 43. Take out 43 page number for your Marigold book. Take out your Marigold book, page number 43. So we have started the balloon man now. So once again I am repeating, I am revising the poem, okay? So be careful with your pencil. The balloon man. So let's start the poem, The Balloon Man. The balloon man, he always comes on market days. So when the balloon man comes on market days, he holds balloons a lovely bunch. So he holds so many balloons. So what is the meaning of bunch? Number of balloons, na? Write down with your pencil. Bunch means number of balloons. So he holds so many number of balloons. And in the market square he stays. So where he stays? In the market square, na? So what is the meaning of square? Square means, write down, an open area with four-sided. Write down, square means an open area with four-sided. And never seems to think of lunch. So the balloon man is so busy in his work that he never think of his lunch. They had red, purple, blue and green. So how many colors are there? Four colors, na? Red, purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, so what is the meaning of sunny day? Write down, a day full of sunlight. A day full of sunlight. So when it is a sunny day, the cars and people get between. You see them shining far away. So when it is a sunny day, all the people come to the market, okay? And there are so many carts. Cart means vehicles, okay? And some are big and some are small. So some balloons are big and some balloons are small in size, all tied together with a string. So all the balloons are tied with string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. So when the wind comes, all the balloons get pulled. So what is the meaning of tug? Write down, pull something. So when the wind will come, they all are up in the air, na? And someday perhaps he will let them go. So all the children like you are wishing that a day will come when the balloon man let all the balloons, all the colorful balloons, let all the balloons to go in the air, and we will see them sailing high, and all the children wants to enjoy all the balloons fly high in the sky, okay? And stand and watch them from below. So all the children stand and watch all the colorful balloons from below, and they would look pretty in the sky, and all the balloons looks very pretty, all the colorful balloons. You also like, na? All the balloons in the sky, you like or not? All the colorful balloons looks very beautiful in the sky, na? So all the children like you, They also wish that one day it will come when the balloon man let all the balloons to fly high in the sky, and they will enjoy to see all the balloons from below. Okay, so we have completed the poem The Balloon Man. So is there any confusion? Please read the poem carefully. Regarding the new words, please repeat your question. Tug means pull something. Pull, pull something. Sunny means a day full of light. Sunny means a day full of light. Square means an open area with four sided. Bunch means the number of balloons. Bunch means the number of balloons. So students, now tell me, where does the balloon man stand? In the market square, na? What happened to the balloons? What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? When the wind will come, they all in the air, na? What does the child like to see the balloon man do? That the balloon man let all the balloons to go high in the sky, na? Okay students, so we will discuss the question answer in the next video. Okay, so be ready with your notebook and pencil, and we will discuss the question answer and all the exercises. So once again I am telling, if you have any confusion regarding this poem, so you can ask. No confusion. Do you like the balloons? Yes. When you see the balloon man in your marketplace, in the festival seasons, yes, and they hold so many colorful balloons, na? You enjoy to fly the balloons? Yes, most of you like, na? So students, you all are ready for your tomorrow exam? So please revise please revise properly your Marigold chapters and your grammar portion, okay? And all the MCQ types of question will come. There will be 20 questions and you have to give the answer within 20 minutes. Yes, you have to go through the e-portal and then you have to log in with your email ID and password. In notice, all the procedure is written. All in website, all the things are written, na? Huh? Okay, students. So best of luck for your tomorrow exam. Okay. Who has muted? Who has muted? Okay, students. Okay, students. So best of luck for your tomorrow exam. Okay. And prepare properly all the 3 chapters of Marigold. Okay. Okay, students. Bye bye.